Have you ever experienced the frustrating situation where your phone shows full signal bars, but you can't make calls or use data? This common problem affects millions of users and often has nothing to do with signal strength. The key insight is understanding the difference between signal strength and network service. Signal bars only indicate radio frequency reception strength, not whether your device can actually connect to the network. There are three main categories of issues that cause this problem. First, SIM card issues, including physical damage, improper seating, or account authentication problems. Second, network configuration problems, such as incorrect APN settings, network selection conflicts, or roaming restrictions. Third, device-specific factors, including outdated software, hardware failures, or corrupted network cache. Now let's walk through the immediate troubleshooting steps that have a 60 to 70% success rate. First, toggle airplane mode for 30 seconds to reset your network connection. Second, if you have a physical SIM card, carefully remove it and reinsert it to ensure proper contact with the device. Third, reset your network selection by switching to manual network selection, then back to automatic to refresh your network connection. Finally, perform a complete device restart, not just turning the screen off, but a full power cycle to refresh all network connections. According to industry statistics from 2025, these immediate troubleshooting steps have a 60 to 70% success rate in resolving the full bars, no service issue. If these quick fixes don't resolve your issue, don't worry. There are more advanced troubleshooting techniques available that can help solve persistent connectivity problems. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your full bars no service issue, it's time to move to advanced solutions. These methods address deeper network configuration problems and account-level issues. First, check for carrier settings updates. These are special configuration files that your carrier pushes to optimize network connectivity. On iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then About to check for updates. If carrier updates don't help, reset your network settings to default. This clears all saved Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth connections, and cellular settings, forcing your device to establish fresh network connections. Consider getting a new SIM card from your carrier. SIM cards can degrade over time, especially if they're over 2 years old. Physical damage, corrosion, or authentication issues can cause service problems even with strong signal strength. Manually configure your APN or access point name settings. These settings tell your device how to connect to your carrier's data network. Incorrect APN settings can cause data connectivity issues even with strong signal reception. If all troubleshooting steps fail, contact your carrier's technical support. They can perform account-level diagnostics, check for network outages in your area, and resolve authentication or provisioning issues that only they can access. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. Here are key strategies to avoid full bars, no service issues before they occur. Keep your device software and carrier settings updated regularly. Enable automatic updates when possible. Periodically refresh your network settings, especially after traveling or changing locations frequently. Carriers are also implementing proactive solutions. They're developing better diagnostic tools in their mobile apps, sending proactive notifications about network changes, and improving eSIM provisioning systems to reduce authentication failures. Remember, these advanced troubleshooting steps have high success rates when applied systematically. Most full bars, no service issues can be resolved with these methods, and prevention strategies will help you avoid future problems.